Hello friends, in this video we will discuss how to find the difference of roots of a given quadratic equation with the help of formula. If you have not watched my previous video in which I have derived the formula for finding the difference of roots of a given quadratic equation, please watch. Then you will come to know how to find difference of roots of a quadratic equation. So here we are given x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0, a quadratic equation. So, and also you know the standard form of a quadratic equation is like this: ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. So let's have a look on its solution. Here I have written the same quadratic equation. So first we will try to find what is a here, okay, what is b here, okay, and what is c here. Basically, if you look at this standard form of a quadratic equation, you will find that a is nothing but coefficient of x square. Similarly, b is nothing, this is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So comparing this standard form with this given quadratic equation, we find that coefficient of x square is 1, okay. Similarly, coefficient of x is minus 8 and constant term is 15. So what will be discriminant? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So what is b? Minus 8. When you make it square, minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 15. When you will solve this, you will get 8 square will give you 64, minus will become plus minus 60, and this will comes out to be 4. So suppose you already know that generally we assume that alpha and beta are its roots, so directly you can write difference of roots is equal to plus minus sign under root d by a. So plus minus sign, what is d? 4. So take under root its square root and divide by 1, okay. So you will get plus or minus 2. Let's have a look on its difference, why it is plus and minus. Because in the previous video we have just tell you if this will be situation, then it will give you the positive difference, otherwise it will give you negative difference. Let's go by solve this with longer method. When you solve it using factorization or any other method, you will find that if I use factorization, this will be written like this: x minus 5 into x minus 3 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 5 or 3. Here I have directly written, so don't worry. Okay, so let's assume this 5 is alpha and 3 is beta. So alpha beta are roots which is known to you. If you take difference alpha minus beta, this time you will get 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. But if suppose there is another person who is solving this problem and he assumes that this 5 it as beta and this as assume alpha, then in that case what he will get? Alpha minus beta. He will find that 3 minus 5 is giving him minus 2. So there are both possibilities of getting positive as well as negative. That's why I have put here plus and minus sign. Hope you have understand these concepts. Thanks for watching.